is Mary Cleo Moranus. Today, we tackle about distance. Distance between 2 points is the length of the path connecting them. The length along the line or a line segment between 2 points on the line or a line segment. It is a numerical description of how far apart two objects are. So distance talks about how apart of two objects. Distance talks about ang gilayon ang sa duha ka object kung unsa sila kagilayon. Here is the formula of distance as you can see in the PowerPoint. So this is our example. So -3, 2, and 2, 2. So let's put in the graph. So let's substitute our given to the formula. So let's substitute the formula. So x sub 2 equals 2. X sub 1 equals -3. So y sub 2 equals 2. Then y sub 1 equals 2. So let's perform. 2 minus -3 equals 5. 2 minus -2 equals 0. So we first perform inside the parentheses. So, mananatugbuhan. Kung manana, let's kuhan sa ito ang 5 raised to the power 2 equals 25. So, ang square root sa 25 is equals to 5. And that is our final answer. 5 is the distance of -3, 2, and 2, 2. Hope you understand. Thank you.
Problem number 4. The town of Lang is mapped on a coordinate grid with the origin being at City Hall. Glenn's house is located at the point -5, 7, and Shimbert's house is located at -2, 3. How far is it from Glenn's house to Shimbert's house? So here is the solution. So the 2 points of the problem is -5, 7, and -2, 3. So the formula to get the distance is d is equals to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So d is equals to -2 minus -5 squared plus 3 minus 7 squared. So square root of -2 plus 5 squared plus -4 squared. So it is equal to 3 squared plus -4 squared. So 3 squared is equals to 9 and -4 squared is equals to 16. So 9 plus 16 is equals to the square root of 25. So the square root of 25 is equal to 5. Therefore, the distance from Glenn's house to Shimbert's house is 5 units.
Speed. The rate of change of position of an object in any direction. Speed is measured as the ratio of distance to the time in which the distance was covered. I arrive at my class 45 seconds after leaving math, which is 90 meters away. How fast did I travel? We are looking for the speed, and the formula of speed is equals to S equals distance divided by time. So 90 meters divided by 45 seconds is equals 2. And the answer of the speed is equals 2 millimeter per second.
Hello everyone, this is April Grace Navarrete and this is my problem. So the problem goes, Ellie was going to a friend's house. It was 720 meters away and he arrived 3 minutes after leaving his house. The question is, how fast did he travel? So the formula will be the speed is equal to distance all over the time. So in the given, the distance is 720 meters and the time is 3 minutes. Since we cannot divide it directly, so we have to convert minutes into seconds. 3 minutes convert to seconds. So we have to convert 3 minutes into seconds. So here 3 minutes is multiplied to the quotient of 60 seconds divided by 1 minute. So we have to cancel minute and minute. So the remaining is 60 seconds and the 3. So multiply 3 to 60 seconds and the answer will be 180 seconds. So here, going back here, 720 meters divided by 180 seconds is equal to 4. So the answer will be 4 meter per second. So therefore, Ellie traveled 4 meter per second to his going to his friend's house. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Teacher Kim. And like you, I struggle with problem solving. However, we will tackle and dig deep on these problems for us to learn. Accelerations are vector quantities. The orientation of an object's acceleration is given by the orientation of the net force acting on that object. Acceleration is the rate of change of the velocity of an object with respect to time. Let's try this problem. For problem solving number 3, the Santos family attends church each Sunday, and as a result of waking up late, the car travels faster from a speed of 10 meters per second to 15 meters per second at 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the car. So first thing is to identify the given. Final velocity, which is equal to 15 meter per second. Initial velocity, which is equal to 10 meters per second. And time, which is 5 seconds. So what is asked in the problem is the acceleration of the car. The formula should be used for acceleration given the different velocity and time is the change of velocity or final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So we will substitute 15 meters per second minus 10 meters per second divided by 5 seconds. 15 meters per second minus 10 meters per second is 5 meters per second divided by 5 seconds. We will divide, so the acceleration of the car is equal to 1 meter per second squared. We're done! Hope you learned something today!